Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to download eBay app. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Play Store. Then search for eBay. Tap on install. Here you can see the icon of eBay and here is the logo and then search for the official eBay app by eBay Mobile. Tap on it. Here you can see the option of install. Tap on it. Make sure your internet connection is stable, and from this app you can buy and sell many things. Here you can see the rating is 4.5 and eBay app has been recently updated on 21st June 2024. So make sure you have downloaded the updated version. There you go. Your eBay mobile app has been downloaded. Now tap on open to use it. And for more videos on eBay, make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.